Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Pact between Ìkú and Abà Abógẹ, Pataki. There was a man named Abà Abógẹ who had many children, and his wife became pregnant again. He began to worry about how he would manage with another child, considering the misery they were already facing. The woman gave birth to a baby boy. The father declared that he did not want anyone in this world to baptize the child. Then the devil came and offered to be the godfather, but the man refused. He didn't want anything to do with him. Then Death, or Ìkú, arrived and offered to baptize the child, promising to protect and favor him. The father accepted. The boy grew up, and one day Death asked him what he wanted to learn. The godson said he wanted to become a doctor. Death took him to the base of an arauco tree and spoke to him like this: "From today onward, all the sick people to whom you give this herb will be healed. But if you ever visit a patient and see me at the foot of their bed, do not give them anything, that one cannot be saved." The doctor began his career and quickly gained fame everywhere. One day, the king fell ill and sent for him. When he arrived at the palace, he saw his godmother, Ìkú, at the foot of the king's bed. He told them he could not heal the king, but the offers were so many and so tempting that the young man decided to heal him anyway. After he left, Death went to see her godson, who had disobeyed her. He gave her several excuses, and Death forgave him. Time passed, and then the princess fell ill. They called for him again. When he entered her room, his godmother, Ìkú, was once more at the foot of the bed, so he refused to treat her. This time, however, the offers were even more tempting. They even proposed marriage to the princess if he healed her. The young man accepted and cured her. Death came for him again. This time, she did not accept any explanation. She took him to a place where there were many burning candles and said to her godson, "Do you see that candle way in the back that's about to go out? That's the time you have left to live." The young man continued to beg for forgiveness, but his pleas were not taken into account. For trying to save the life of someone who was meant to die, he had to pay with his own for being greedy and disobedient.